This video provides information from the internet, and we do not promote any products or medicines. Always consult a doctor before using any medication. We are not responsible for any side effects or issues resulting from self-medication.
Brintop Moist 5% Topical Solution is a solution designed to stimulate hair growth. It is particularly effective for individuals suffering from hereditary hair loss. Indications and uses. This topical solution is indicated for the management of androgenic alopecia, which refers to a common form of hair loss characterized by a receding hairline and thinning at the crown. It is suitable for individuals experiencing mild to moderate hair loss. However, it is not recommended for those with total baldness or specific scalp conditions such as psoriasis or infections. A proper consultation with a healthcare professional is advised before use. How it works. The solution works by revitalizing hair follicles through its vasodilatory properties, which increase blood flow to the scalp, delivering vital nutrients and oxygen to promote hair growth. Directions for use. Always apply the topical solution as directed by a physician. It should be used exclusively on a healthy, dry scalp and not on any inflamed or irritated areas. Avoid contact with the eyes and other parts of the body. Your healthcare provider will determine the appropriate dosage and duration based on individual needs. Possible side effects. Common side effects of the solution may include headache, itching of the scalp, rash, and a burning sensation. If these effects persist or worsen, consulting a healthcare provider is essential. Precautions and warnings. It is crucial to avoid using this solution if you are pregnant, breastfeeding, or have certain medical conditions such as heart disease or high blood pressure. A thorough consultation with a healthcare professional is recommended to ensure safety and efficacy. FAQs. 1. What is this solution used for? It is used to manage hair loss in men and women. 2. How should it be applied? Apply it directly to the dry scalp as directed by your doctor. 3. Can it cause hair loss initially? Some individuals may experience temporary shedding in the first weeks. 4. How long does it take to see results? Results may become noticeable in 2 to 4 months with daily use. 5. What should I do if I accidentally ingest it? Consult a healthcare professional immediately. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions, please feel free to leave them in the comments below.